Hi, this is Dr. Mora. How are you? How you guys doing? This is a very interesting case today. I'm doing a right knee arthroscopy. This is where I'm at. I'm on the medial side of the knee. I'm way in the back of the knee. This is, once again, the right knee. Let me give you perspective if I can here. Let me back it up. This is the center. That's the ACL there. Lateral compartment is over there. That's the lateral femoral condyle. Get to the back of the knee, and this is what I find. This patient had a root tear of the posterior horn, medial meniscus, and unfortunately they already had surgery once. The physician that operated on the patient thought that it would be okay to just trim that portion of the meniscus that was torn. So there's a segment of meniscus missing, but unfortunately, trimming the meniscus when you have a root tear is not helpful. It does not help the pathology. The pathology is one where it's very different. Once you have a root tear, the meniscus is unstable and no longer works. So I already have my sutures in there. I'm doing a modified root repair. I'm not repairing it to its anatomic position because I cannot, because they've already had a big portion of the meniscus removed. So then I place sutures in the meniscus right there. You can see this meniscus posterior horn right there. And I will be pulling on these sutures to reattach it or anchor it down to bone. Now I want you to see what happens when you have a tear, or how I found it. I found it way over there, and this patient's unfortunately already developing arthritis, but this is how it looks displaced. And when I pull this in, the meniscus actually goes back under the knee. You see, it goes back under the knee and protects it. This is why this patient developed arthritis already. There was no protection under the knee in this spot. Now what I'm doing now is pulling the meniscus back under the knee, and that's exactly what a root tear does. You see that? And that's what a root repair does, you see? Okay, I haven't finished tightening it down yet. I'm just showing you what the effect of repair, no repair. Repair, no repair. Repair, and no repair. So it's like a trampoline that doesn't work. So once I reattach it, now the trampoline is working, and the meniscus will have, or the knee will have its cushion back. This is Dr. Mora showing you a root repair in a patient that had an unfortunate situation where they had part of the meniscus removed rather than reattaching the root back to bone. You guys take care. Have a great day. Just thought I'd show you this really interesting case. Thank you.